let's make super easy and quick instant red buttercream. So we're going to be using Connor's Buttercream Silk. So for this, we're going to use 250 grams of cubed butter straight from the fridge, 500 grams of sieved icing sugar, and half a teaspoon of food colouring. This is our food range and it's Simply Colours by Ginny and Joe. So we're going to put that into the microwave. It might smoke a little bit, 10 seconds to start with, and then take it out and stir it like this. Then we're going to pop it back in for another 10 seconds. We are doing this in little bits, stirring every time. We don't want the butter to split. So then I'm going to go back in again, 5 seconds more, repeat and stir, and the final 5 seconds. So you're not looking for it to be like water, you want really thick custard. So there you go, you can see just there, that's the consistency you want. No higher than 30 degrees Celsius. So if you're not sure about this method, get out your thermometer and make sure it doesn't go over. Now we're going to put that into a bowl, and using half of the icing sugar to begin with, because it's easier to incorporate, because we are doing all of this by hand, and this is what makes it instant. We aren't putting air into it. So we're just going to stir this in. We're doing it gently, and then we're doing a scraping action along the bottom there. So you can see, scrape that butter into the icing sugar. And this swoop motion is so important. This makes it so silky soft and no air bubbles. This is going to be the most perfect buttercream that you've ever made. It's so good. So scrape that bottom as well, making sure you get all that pesky stuff off. Now add in the last little bit. Oh, it's like a witch's cauldron. Add in your vanilla and then go again, swoop, pulling over side to side and underneath. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of boiling water. Make sure it is just boiled. Again, that brings the colouring out just that little bit more. Look how silky that is. Absolutely beautiful. So using a 1M, let's give this a pipe, and it is so silky. Smoothing this on a cake, absolutely beautiful. So there you go. There's the instant red buttercream.